मेघालय के ईस्ट खासी हिल्स के सोहरा से नवविवाहित जोड़े के लापता होने के मामले पर पर्यटन मंत्री पॉल लिंगदो का बयान सामने आया है। उन्होंने कहा कि एक घटना को लेकर राज्य में पर्यटकों की सुरक्षा को लेकर सवाल नहीं उठाए जाने चाहिए। पॉल लिंगदो के अनुसार राज्य सरकार ने दंपति की तलाश में सभी तंत्र सक्रिय कर दिए हैं। तलाश अभियान तेजी से चल रहा है। पर्यटन मंत्री ने साथ ही कहा कि अगर लोग सुरक्षा सलाह की अनदेखी करते हुए अचिन्हित क्षेत्रों में प्रवेश करते हैं तो इसके लिए राज्य सरकार को जिम्मेदार ठहराया नहीं जा सकता। तो बड़ा बयान दिया है पर्यटन मंत्री पॉल लिंगदो ने। मेघालय के ईस्ट खासी हिल्स के सोहरा से नवविवाहित जोड़े के लापता होने के मामले पर उन्होंने ये बयान दिया है। उन्होंने कहा है कि एक घटना को लेकर राज्य में पर्यटकों की सुरक्षा को लेकर सवाल नहीं उठाए जाने चाहिए।
As far as this case is concerned, we have taken up the matter right at the level of the Chief Minister, who spoke to his counterpart, and also a senior minister of the cabinet, Bahek, had personally gone to the site on behalf of the state government. We have pressed into service all possible rescue operations. So that is briefly what government has done till today.
The brother of the victim has said that, in fact, the rescue operation is very slow. He has alleged.
Well, he has his own opinions, and since they are affected by the incident, obviously he will say a lot of things, sometimes overstating things also. But you have to realize that Meghalaya has a challenging topography and terrain. This is nothing like in the plains of India. We have challenging terrains, difficult to access. We have even villages which are not reachable. Each day gives us fresh insight and is a learning experience. So we will incorporate those points. We are extremely cautious about making sure that any travel plans to Meghalaya should be free of risks of disaster. This is just an instance where, as far as our reports available with us suggest, most probably the couple must have gone beyond terrains and were not accompanied by guides. Now, when people go on a honeymoon, obviously they would not like to have a guide by their side. Then what do you do? So there are certain things which are beyond the control of man.